billions of years ago, before our planet existed. The universe was a vast and chaotic place. Stars were born and destroyed, leaving behind cosmic dust and gas floating in the darkness of space. About 4.6 billion years ago, a colossal cloud of gas and dust, known as a solar nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. The center of this nebula would one day become our sun, while the remaining matter started to swirl and collide, forming tiny space rocks. As time passed, the swirling dust particles stuck together, forming larger and larger objects. This chaotic process, called accretion, eventually gave birth to massive space bodies, one of which would become the Earth. In its early days, Earth was nothing like the world we know today. It was a molten sphere, covered in raging lava, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Temperatures were extreme and the surface was a chaotic inferno. Then, about 4.5 billion years ago, a planet-sized body, perhaps as large as Mars, collided with Earth. The impact was so immense that it blasted debris into space. Over time, this debris came together, forming the Moon, forever altering Earth's destiny. As the planet cooled, volcanic eruptions released gases, creating a thick, toxic atmosphere. Water vapor from comets and volcanoes began to condense, leading to the first heavy rains. These rains filled the basins of Earth, forming the first oceans. This was the beginning of Earth's long and dramatic journey. From a chaotic ball of fire to a world with oceans east, the stage was set for something even more remarkable: the origins of life. Next episode, the Hadean Eon, Earth's first billion years.